Bob, hi, welcome. How has innovation changed in the healthcare industry as a result of COVID?
Well, I would say that COVID had an accelerating impact across many trends in the healthcare space, particularly innovation. We were used to a much longer innovation cycle for things like drug development, vaccine development, how to reach patients, and COVID basically took what was generally a 5 to 7 year time frame and crammed it into an 18-month period and set new expectations for how long innovation should take in healthcare.
What does it mean for the industry overall, though?
Well, it certainly means quite a bit actually for the industry in terms of setting new expectations. If you think about shaving 2 3 years off of a development cycle, has a significant impact both on cost, but more importantly on saving lives. If you can get new therapies to market faster, if you can get new diagnostics to screen patients for cancer faster, all of those things matter. And so I think getting those therapies and those tests to market quicker definitely has a significant impact.
And what trends are you seeing in the healthcare industry at the moment that you think will have, difficult question, but the most impact going forward?
Look, there are several for sure. Many of them were actually in place before COVID started. COVID just accelerated, like a catalyst, even further, a further catalyst to move things forward. Some of the biggest ones, obviously, with the announcement of Kaiser and Geisinger last week, continued consolidation in the healthcare system, a shift out of acute care into alternate sites of care. Think about in the home, like we all got used to during COVID, where people were held out of hospitals just given infrastructure demands and shifting care into doctors' offices, further care in the home. More consumerism continued. The fact that no one knew what a molecular test versus PCR versus an antigen test was prior to COVID. That consumerism, that understanding of where healthcare comes from, how we use it, I think has continued to accelerate.
Oh, thank you so much.
Great. Thanks, Georgie.